Did you know a young elephant once turned an entire town into a rainbow wonderland by accident? Xander was exploring his grandmother's dusty attic when he discovered something incredible, a magical xylophone hidden beneath old blankets. When he pressed the first key instead of music, swirling purple light danced in the air. Another key sent golden sparkles floating around the room. But then, something unexpected happened. The colors began escaping through the window, painting everything outside. Trees turned bright purple, grass became orange, and houses got rainbow stripes. The townspeople rushed outside, confused at first, then absolutely delighted. Xander realized he could control the colors by playing different melodies. He remembered a special song his grandmother had taught him. As he played the gentle tune, the most beautiful rainbow spread across the entire town. The little elephant had learned something magical. Music and colors could bring joy to everyone,